Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to set up the SMTP server in Gmail. First, go to Google. Here, click on your profile on your top right. Then click on Manage your Google account. On this page, click on Security from the left panel. Scroll down and click on Two-Step Verification. Make sure it is active on your account. After that, click on Passkeys. Now enter your password. Click on Next to proceed further. Here you can set it to start using your passkeys. It will make your account more secure. Now click on Two-Step Verification. On scrolling down, you'll find the option of App Passwords. Click to open it. Click on Select App, then select Other. Enter SMTP, then click on Generate. It will generate the app password for your device, which you can use to unlock the app by following this process. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.